Well, I'm off the couch, I'm on the road, and I'm on my way to Fort Bragg, California. Today we're going to check out the Mendocino Coast Model Railroad and Historical Society Museum. The museum has created a living history of the Redwood Empire in the form of a large G-scale model railroad layout. Their layout depicts a logging railroad that might have existed around 1925 through the 1940s. It's a living history of the Redwood Empire, the men who cut the giant trees, the railroads that brought the giant logs to the mill. They have also included the schooners that took the products to market from the dangerous dog-hole ports along the Mendocino coast. When I grew up, me and my brother both had a train set, but nothing like this. Oh, I wish I could have seen this when I was a kid. Looking at all these little model trains makes me want to go ride a big train. Yep, we're going to go take a ride on the Skunk Train right after this. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss that episode. The Mendocino Coast Model Railroad and Historical Society is dedicated to preserving the history of the logging industry that built the towns along the Mendocino coast. They educate children and adults about the loggers, mills, and railroads that were in the area during the Age of Steam. It's sad but true that there has been no testament to the loggers and the railways that ran into the woods to feed the mills that existed at almost every river along the Mendocino coast. Regrettably now, all the whistles of the mighty locomotives and mills are now silent. This set includes a working roundhouse. If any of you have your own model railroad, please be sure and leave a link and some pictures in the comments below. While I'm back home, I'm back on the couch and I'm dreaming up another adventure. I sure hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you remember to hit that subscribe button to help the channel grow. Thanks for watching, and I hope we see you again real soon.